Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use stretch. The toolbar icon is this one for stretch. You click this and then you need to know how to cross the object you want to stretch. For instance, I want to cross this, click, then cross this portion only, portion that you want to stretch, and then enter. Then you need to specify the base point like this, click. Then you see that I can stretch that particular portion only. Click here, and that's it. Assuming you want to stretch the entire thing here, all you have to do is to type or stretch. Okay, click, and then select this portion using a crossing window. So I can stretch the entire right-hand side of the object. Okay, I can use this base point, the middle point of the line. Then I can stretch. Okay, up or down or just horizontal. Okay, so in this portion, let's try to stretch. Stretch. Enter. Highlight this only portion. Let's say this one. Okay, enter. And then select this endpoint. Then let's try to stretch. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.